Hey everyone, my name's Rajjute and it's time to take a look back at the tech news in the week that was August 19th to August 25th, 2018. NVIDIA kicked the week off, holding an event ahead of Gamescom to announce the latest range of GPUs. The new GeForce RTX 20 series introduces three new GPUs, the 2070, the 2080 and the 2080 Ti. Ranging in price from Australian $899 to $1899 for NVIDIA's Founders Edition versions, the new GPUs make use of the company's latest architecture known as Turing. Built to provide real-time ray tracing, that's a fancy word for lighting effects, the lowest model 2070 is said to be up to 6 times more powerful than NVIDIA's prior architecture behemoth, the Titan X. Available for pre-order now, the cards are expected to ship in September, with third-party versions likely to be slightly cheaper and shipping at similar times. Keeping the product announcements coming, DJI held an event to show off the new Mavic 2 drones. A first for the company, the Mavic 2 comes in 2 different versions. The first, the Mavic 2 Zoom, which includes a 24 to 48mm optical zoom lens, and the second, the Mavic 2 Pro, that comes decked out with a Hasselblad camera and 10-bit log color profiling. The new drones also include an upgraded sensor array, meaning it can detect obstacles in 360 degrees, and now has an intelligent subject tracking feature, predicting a subject's path when it becomes obscured by the environment. Both have a flight time of approximately 30 minutes and are available immediately, setting you back an Australian $19.99 for the Zoom or $22.99 for the Pro. Amidst the Big Brother episode that is Australian politics this week, one piece of information came out regarding suppliers of 5G hardware ahead of Australia's 5G spectrum auction. The announcement from now Prime Minister Scott Morrison and then Comms Minister Senator Fifi, or Mitch Fifield, alerted Chinese-based Huawei that they would not be allowed to build any part of the network in Australia. The same would apply to any suppliers from China and leaves the door solely open to the European-based Nokia and Ericsson. Facebook, never short of controversy, did a variety of boneheaded things this week, but the one that was most interesting was the removal of the VPN app Anavo from the iOS App Store. The app, which was designed to speed up your connection whilst browsing the web securely, was widely known to essentially farm everything you were doing and send it straight back to Facebook HQ. Now, in the wake of the constant privacy issues and slowing user growth, Facebook appear to have taken stock and removed what some might call a malicious app. And finally this week, we're off to the movies. Well, sort of. Naughty America, creators of some of the most watched content in the world, announced a new service this week that uses AI, allowing a paying customer to be digitally inserted into some of their original adult-based content alongside their favourite actor or actress. With little info available about pricing, said to be somewhere between hundreds and thousands, more has been raised about privacy concerns and the authentication of supplied photography and video required for the service to work. Sadly, Naughty America CEO Andreas Hronopoulos seemed non-perturbed by the issue, however, stating, "It's just editing, that's all it is. People have been editing people's faces on pictures since the internet started." And that's it for another week. If you enjoy listening or watching the show, then I encourage you to leave a review or give it a thumbs up wherever you're enjoying it. On the website is our rundown of the upcoming Melbourne Esports Open, and for our Patreon peeps, you've got a video review of the new Plantronics Rig 500 Pro series to watch. If you're not a Patreon and you would like more details on what that includes, head on over to reckoner.com.au/Patreon. No show next week, it's my birthday, so taking a well-deserved week off as we head into the show's 11th month. That's crazy. Have a great week and bye for now.